guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can activate 2 WhatsApp accounts on your Realme C55. So if you have your WhatsApp account but you need the second one for the work, for example, with the separated contacts, separated number, I'm gonna show you the one small trick for that. Just open the Play Store and look for the WhatsApp Business. Install this app, and now how you can see, I have 2 WhatsApp accounts on one device. That was the first method. Now the second one. Go to the Play Store again and look for the Dual Space app. Choose one of them and open. Decide that you want to get notification if you're making the WhatsApp. It can be helpful, but I don't need to, and agree the terms. Allow permissions to the files and just simply tap on the WhatsApp. And whole process starting automatically, and now we are creating second WhatsApp account. That's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.